Okay, guys. So now I'm going to go to the domain. As you can see, this is the domain, and it's expired. So today is 27. It's expired October 18. Okay. So now if you go to the renew section, and here you can just apply the coupon. So what is it? So this is the extensions. So if you apply the coupon, the price is $17.18. So now as you can see, we are applying some coupons, so it will, I think, in $13. Okay, so we have applied 100% coupon. So by default, the value was $17. So as you can see, it's saying you have saved. Okay, so fine, continue checkout. So now it's $13.68. So this is the coupon the system automatically added. So if I click on the confirm order, so you have to give the credit card or the PayPal or from your account. So as you can see, my current balance is not sufficient. So that's why I have to check on the secure credit card. So I'm going to give the credit card. So I'm using the new credit card. Click on the continue button. As you can see, it's $13.60. Just click on the payment button, pay now. Okay, so you have successfully purchased the domain. Sorry, renewed the domain, not purchased. So now wait a few seconds. After a few seconds or after 1 to 2 minutes, you will receive the uh, email from the name server, Namecheap, that you have successfully purchased the domain. We have successfully renewed the domain. Which one? This is the Shexify domain, and it's working fine.